conversions today. Conversions day 3. Today's learning target, I can convert a unit rate. So the setup on these is going to be very important. The setup is going to be very important. I strongly suggest you do this too. Start by making 4 fraction bars across your paper. The first 3 we're going to multiply together, and then the last one is our answer. Take the information that you get in the problem and make that your first unit rate. And what does unit rate mean again? Correct, there is a 1 on the bottom. Then it gives you some information for your answer, but not all. Blank feet per minute. How many minutes? 1, because this is unit rate. I strongly recommend you do all of this before you try to do any math. Set up the problem. Then I look at my labels for my answer. I have minutes on the bottom, which means I need minutes on the bottom of one of these 2 spots. Minutes can go here or here. Minutes has to be on the bottom somewhere, which means feet has to be on the top of the other one. If you want minutes here, feet's over there. Since we're going to multiply eventually, the order does not matter, but feet does have to be on the top. How do I know? Feet's on the top. Minutes does have to be on the bottom. How do I know? Minutes on the bottom. Okay, then these middle 2 fractions, I fill out based on my note page, those charts, or something I maybe have in my brain. Here's something I have in my brain. What do I know about minutes and hours? What do I know about minutes and hours? 60 minutes, 1 hour. Notice I put 60 next to the word minutes. I didn't say 1 minute. 60 minutes, 1 hour. The next thing, I might have to turn back a page on my blue notes. Feet, miles. What do I know about feet and miles? Feet and miles. 1 foot, 5,280. Oh no, I have it backwards. 5,280 feet, 1 mile. Matching the number with the label is very important. Very, 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 very important. So now I am finally ready to multiply straight across. Or simplify first since we are multiplying. What could I simplify? Oh, 10 and 60. Don't want to do that? No problem. Don't have to. 10 times 5,280 equals 52,800. 1 times 60 times 1, 60. The problem is, I'm supposed to have a 1 on the bottom, not a 60. So what would you suggest I do? I hope you said divide. Kind of goes along with 2 days ago. How much for 1 minute if you have 60 minutes? Here's a hint for division. If you're dividing and they both have a 0, simplify it. That only works for division though. Now, I don't need to bring this 0 down after all, so that means I need to bring it up. If it's 52,860 minutes, it is 880 feet in 1 minute. There's no way to do this in your head, people. You gotta write this down. Number 2. 3.5 quarts per minute and blank gallons per hour. First thing, get your fraction bars on there. Second thing, fill in your first ratio. 3.5 quarts per 1 minute. Fill out most of my last one. Work backwards on your labels. Gallons has to be on the top. Do you want it here or here? Here or here? Doesn't matter. Hours has to be on the bottom. Could be the opposite. Multiply in any order, could be the opposite. Okay, so now I'm either picking things that I know from my brain or looking back in my notes. What do I know about hours and minutes? Hours and minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Oh wait, I put 60 hours. 1 hour, 60 minutes. What do I know about gallons and quarts? 4 quarts, 1 gallon. 4 gallons? What am I doing? 1 gallon. Now I have some choices. Would I like to simplify first? Maybe I would, because 1 times 1 times 1 still 1 on the bottom. Yay, hooray! 60 divided by 4 is 15. So what do I have to multiply? 3.5 times 15 times 1. .5 gallons per hour. Maybe you noticed this little swimming pool picture down here. My husband, when he was younger, had a pool just like this. Maybe you have a pool like this. Maybe your neighbor has a pool like this. Maybe your cousin has a pool like this. My husband's dad, so my father-in-law, was a volunteer firefighter, and the fire truck came over to fill up their pool. I'm not kidding. So, if the pool took 5,320 gallons, and the fire truck could pump it out at 52.5 gallons per hour, now we would know how long the fire truck needs to stay. Just telling you that you might have been thinking, I'm never going to do this, until you are a fireman or woman, or you need a pool filled. Then you're going to be converting some gallons and time, and how long is it going to take, and how much water do I need, and on and on and on. It could happen. Number 3. All of that was set up. None of that was math. Just setting up the problem. What do I know about seconds and hours? 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour, 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. What do I know about meters and centimeters? King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk. What do I know about meters and centimeters? Looks like 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Now I can simplify if I wish, or go straight across. Remember what I told you about division? If they have some zeros in common, get rid of them. Nice! 432 meters per hour. Number 4, I'm speeding up a bit. Press pause when I start going too fast. Just setting up the problem over here. What do I know about seconds and minutes? Wait a second. 1 minute 60 seconds. What do I know about kilometers and meters? One kilometer, 1,000 meters. Can I put one here? One? Nope. 1,000 meters, 1 kilometer. Woo! Check this out. 1 times 1 times 1 on the bottom, still 1. On the top, 1,000 times 60 times 0.85. Five, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. How many decimal spots? 2. Whoa, that's a big one. That's a lot of meters. Last one. Going fast. Pause if you need. What do I know about hours and seconds? I think I figured that out. Yep, I did. What do I know about feet and miles? I think it's on my sheet. Multiply straight across. Well, I know the bottom's going to be 3,600. Top. Need a side problem. Problem's not done, still have to divide. What did I tell you about dividing in zeros? 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, too much, I think. Yep, too much. So just 1 again. $264, huh? Oh, too much. Too much. Ooh, I try to guess and check better than that. 252. Running out of room. Again, I try and guess and check better than this. What? A repeating number? Is that okay? Sure is. Do you know what a repeating 3 means? 1/3. Can you measure 1/3 of something? Of course you can. Keep your notes out, people. Slowly, problem by problem. You got this.